Oh, but you are living in Turkey now, or you are in other country? Turkish are handsome, lah. Yeah, when I was in Lebanon, I have some like when we are eating in the restaurant. MashaAllah, you know Arabic. Little. So yeah. أنا أشتغل بالسعودية بالكويت in Lebanon أول. Ha. Little by little. Turkish soldier and I live in Libya. Oh wow. Hmm. Libya. Libya. Well, I am in Turkish soldier. Wow, you are a peacemaker. Nice. Nice to meet you.